Well, it's the end of my day, Monday. I usually put my week in line on my Monday mornings. So do it on camera. Got this door off and sanded the whole door jamb down with 180 and Scotch-Brite. A little more sanding to do on that seam sealer. May even go back over some spots with seam sealer. Got the factory sticker off here, which was aggravating. Next step, when I roll outside, is sand all this primer down 180. Get all this black section. And the roof is still sitting pretty much factory. With overspray on the edges. A little bit of bare metal showing here and there. So I'm gonna hurry up and sand the rest of this down and get it coated in epoxy primer. This U-pole I have, I think it's pretty close to epoxy primer. It has a hardener with it. Do some more research on that particular brand. So the hood may come off. This door's coming off next for sure. I haven't sanded this side down yet. Did the bottom half a while back. All that'll have to come back off. And then finish the sanding all the way around the edge. Some more seam sealer I need to chunk out. Some in these cracks. And I gotta sand in that crack. Hopefully don't have to reseal it. Got some funny lines. There you go. Painted a bunch of odd and end parts for the other door today. It would be these rods. Some hardware for the window. Door striker parts. And a mess on my table. So the door jamb sanded down also 180. I think it's pretty much ready for a primer. Gonna do the outside of it still. And kind of changed my plans on how I was gonna paint this. I was hoping to paint the jamb and the outer part, just the whole door, all at once. I think I'm gonna go back to how most painters do the jambs with the doors back on the vehicle, then paint the whole outer. Either that or make some really intricate door stands to hold these in the air, right? I want to hang them on the wall in there. Here's the bear claw latch that holds the striker there. I had some from my Blazer. They're old, but they're in a lot better shape. Painted all the rods because they were rusty and corroded. There's the parts for the window to roll up on the regulator before and after. Of course, I'll put some new grease in there when I assemble everything. Replacement door handle unlock. All those parts were cleaned up. They were rusty. Just painted them with this 2K satin Canyon black. I really like that color for a spray paint. It's got a nice finish. Easy to spray. So I got all my parts out now. Box everything up. I have weather stripping, window run channel, which goes inside here all the way around. Brand new door clips for the door panel. I'm going to do something with this piece. It has a broken corner up here. Plastic insert vent that goes there. New door locks. New door handles. Some mirror pieces I need to figure out if I'm going to paint them same paint as the truck or just black them out like plastic. We'll see. Need to order a spring removal tool. I don't even remember how I got this one out. I took this one out years ago. My door always flops shut easy. There you go here. And when that's in there, there's a little tool that clamps it down. I'll need that tool when I reinstall these most likely. I'll go ahead and get that. I need some more stainless steel bolts. Change all this stuff out to some stainless. And that's the bolts for there. Alright, I'll put myself in order. Do some more sand in the next few days. I'll come back within a week. Y'all have a good one. Peace.